In this short overview, we're going to learn about DocLink 3.2 and the DocLink Smart Client for searching documents, searching results, and viewing documents. A DocLink user opens DocLink on the desktop application by using the DocLink app launcher. The user is then authenticated either through the DocLink password or via Windows authentication, Active Directory. In Quick Inquiry, which opens by default, the user will have access to the document types that they've been given permission to search on. Our IT manager, Michael, can see these document types. To search for one document type, choose the document type and put in one or more property values. When ready, hit the Enter key button or the Search Document button up top. The search results window, when displayed, shows all documents matching the criteria. In this case, purchase orders with entry dates and other important information, including the purchase order number. When trying to drill into a transaction, the user need only highlight, choose the highlighted area, and all documents will become apparent in the search results window. By highlighting both search results rows, the user can open those documents for viewing within the DocLink viewer. That kind of search capability comes for any document type or property value stored within DocLink. Here's the purchase order and the shipment. If there are other needs to dive into other important information, note the asterisk. This shows that there are two account codes associated with this document. This shows us all documents that have an inventory account code. To dive even further, we could go to specific vendors and find all by that vendor, all with the property values that are connected and within the user's personal permissions. DocLink allows permissioned users to print, fax, and save to the desktop with these easy-to-find icons. When saving to the desktop, or by going to print or email, there are several different options. In this case, we're telling DocLink to send as a TIFF, or the native format. In some cases, the email option will be changed by the user to always send TIFFs as PDF. Any document that's being captured by DocLink through capture will be a TIFF natively and can certainly be converted to PDF on the way out. Searching and sorting can happen by property values up in the search results screen based on the header value. Again, searching for documents within DocLink is as easy as drilling into the purchase order and an invoice. When a user has a deeper need to show more documents, different document types, and different property values, Advanced Inquiry is here to do so. From this perspective, you can see all of the companies or top-level entities within DocLink and all of the document types that our user has been granted access to. By choosing multiple document types and choosing property values within that document type, for example, vendor name, Advanced will be the one that we're looking for, and hitting search, we bring back all of the document types, including some that have multiple values, into our search result. To dig into specific vouchers, we could sort here and go down to the document in question, where we could come in and say, show me everything for that voucher. In this case, it's just the invoice. It has not had a check yet. When we do find payments, we can put payments into DocLink through capture and find those as well. There are some simple ways to make your life easier as a search result user. Using things like filtering by entry date is certainly one of those things. Using a calendar control to filter by entry date. Using any of the following all values or no values exist, including things from a total perspective where greater than, less than, and a range of values exist. You can even look for annotation text within a subset or within all. And we find all these documents that have notes or other annotations that say approved. You can search in those text notes. When searching, it's good to understand that users with permission can search these documents. Project users, for example, can search the documents and create a smaller bundle that's marked for download. When you mark documents for download, DocLink asks you where you'd like to put them. By doing so, you can save to your desktop. Again, this is permissioned. Auditors. When we do that, we can download, based on the options, the document and XML data and include search engine software. By doing so, you make auditing very, very simple for projects, for financials, etc. When I start this, all these documents will be moved into my audit folder. The same kind of process needs to be gone through to delete documents. The same function, again, permissioned, where you could go in and say mark for deletion. When they're marked for deletion, the audit record stays. The document goes. These are by permission only. When the auditor receives the thumb drive or CD or DVD, they'll open the remote client. Because they've never had DocLink installed before, they won't see any of the users you see in my demo. They'll hit Browse, and they'll open the audit folder. When they do that, you'll see the 2 document types and the 1 company that have been saved in that repository, that temporary repository. And they can search for all of the documents within that, or by property values, just as we've shown. To see notes and other things, all of which are part of the document record within DocLink, annotations, audit history, workflow history, and all the general information within the indexing within the window.